Hello everyone, this is Paige Hebert, and today I'm here for another art transformation video. This time I will be showing you another Pride Month artwork. This is going to be a fan art of Adam Lambert. If you don't know who Adam Lambert is, I highly recommend you listen to his music. It is really good pop music, and I'm not normally the kind of person who listens to that kind of stuff, but I left the materials down in the description below. As always, it is mostly watercolor. As for the artwork, this artwork was originally made for a poll I did on DeviantArt. Even though it was a 50-50 between Calvin Guerra and him, I just decided to go with Adam Lambert at this point to make things a lot easier. I've also used a lightbox again to do the outline that was originally on my sketchbook once again. I did mess up a little bit on this artwork, like I said in my Franken Girl transformation video, but it was a lot less hassle. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe to me, and don't forget to support me on Patreon. I'll see you guys next time.